Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I wanted to film a getting my life together, and this is actually a couple days later. I'm editing the video now, and the intro that I filmed was just, the AC was on in it and it was just super noisy and you could barely hear me, so I'm filming it again. Just gonna be cleaning. I was studying for statistics and I had a little self-care night because that was very needed, and I definitely don't do that as often as I should anymore. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I also want to address how I've been gone for so long. I started a new job a couple months ago at Benefit Cosmetics in Manhattan, so I've been really busy with that. I also started a new semester at Brooklyn College about 2 months ago. So life has been crazy. I'm still in the process of getting over a sickness, but I finally had an extra day off this week, so I decided to take advantage and film this video. So I really hope that you guys enjoy this. If you see dogs in the video, don't worry, they're not our dogs. We were just watching them because their owner was getting his apartment renovated, but they are gone now. So I just wanted to address those things. So I love you all so much, and let's go ahead and get started.
You're my best friend. Didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you. You and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters. Stray around like nighttime rumors. We were in too deep. In your worn-out sweaters, thinking we'll be young forever. Driving in your mom's old hatchback, and we were in too deep. Where did it begin? Where did it end? Hanging on loose strings, unable to bend. I never listened, trying to prove it, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you. You and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters. Stray around like
It's 7:30 now, and I've just been studying with David. I low-key took a nap for like an hour. We're just about to start cooking dinner. By we, I mean I am about to start cooking dinner. We just got our Home Chef box. This isn't sponsored. We love meal kit delivery services. We go between HelloFresh and Home Chef. I like them both. So this is what we're making tonight. Pork shumai meatballs with ponzu dipping sauce and snap peas. It looks so good. These I will put away for tomorrow night, or you know, the night after. I didn't used to like cooking, but I've come to like it a lot because I don't know, it's just really satisfying, like having a meal come together, and it's kind of like an escape like from the day. So I'm gonna set my tripod up. Let's get cooking.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire.
I just finished dinner, and if you're wondering why we have shot glasses on our plate, it's because I put the dipping sauce on the side. I really got to get like small little bowls or something to put sauces in, but for now this works. I think this looks delicious, so let's go get David.
Like the moon is the snow, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it
So when I'm having a self-care night, I like to lay out the products I'm going to use after the shower, just so that I'm more likely to use them because they're already laid out.
I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. Shooting me with words, but I won't let them bruise.
I'm just gonna like cuddle in bed with David, and then I will be heading to sleep because it's like 10. It's not 10, it's 11:15, okay. And I have class early tomorrow, so I gotta get to bed. But I love you guys so much, and really hope to see you in my next video. Bye guys.
Give me a chance to make it right. Just let me touch you like the first time. We don't need answers to survive.